In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on Google. Following that, select All Services over here. Scroll down and tap on Autofill with Google. When you're ready, choose Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password at the top. Now, if all of those options are not available to you, that means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to manage them. In order to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Password option is on, and open any app you wish to log in into, like Facebook. Input all of your information, hit Login and wait for the pop-up to show. When you see it, select Continue and go back to Autofill with Google section. Now, when I tap on Google Password Manager, my password was successfully added. If yours was added too, you'll be able to see Add Password option at the top. Click on it. Then input all of those informations. Over here, you can type in any website. Then click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Now click on Username to enter it. You can also enter your email or phone number, it depends. Password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're sure all of your informations are correct, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!